Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we'll install an Ntity miner. First, open the official Ntity GitHub page. It contains the full step-by-step guide. We'll follow it together in this video. Step 1 is to install Docker. Docker provides a secure environment, and it's easy to set up. This takes just a few minutes. The usermod command is handy. It saves you from typing sudo when running Docker. Once Docker is installed, download the Ntity files from GitHub. These are the configuration files. We need to set the good values. Next, create a strong wallet password. Make it long and secure. Since your password is stored in plain text on your machine, avoid opening unnecessary ports or run unused services on your miner. You can now give your miner a unique name. Now it's time to start your Ntity miner. The first time, it may take a little while. You can visit stats.ntity.io to check if your miner appears, and also to see its status. Your public address will appear. Copy it and keep it safe. This address is used for miner registration and to receive your rewards. For extra security, limit your wallet funds. Transfer rewards to your personal wallet. Your miner is now ready. The next step is registration. Miner slots are limited. First come, first served. New openings will be announced. Follow us on social media for updates.